I'm here at Disney Springs, and today I wanted to answer the question, which credit card should I use to book a car rental? So I recommend that you use a card that gives you primary car rental insurance. And what that means is the card will take care of anything that happens. Their insurance will take care of it before it has to go to your auto insurance. So if a card has secondary car rental insurance, then it's going to need to go to your car rental company first, and that means that your insurance rates could go up. If you pick a card that has primary car rental insurance, they just take care of it. Your auto insurance company never hears about it, and you don't have to worry about your rates going up. So the two cards that we really like inside of my program are Chase Sapphire Preferred and Chase Sapphire Reserve. We love them for many reasons, but this is yet another one that they offer primary car rental insurance.